agency patterns that we recognize as kinds of minds, that behavioral scientists would look at that pattern and say, well, I know what that is. That's the competency for delayed gratification or problem solving of certain kinds or whatever. And so what I end up with right now is a model in which that latent space contains things that come through physical objects, so simple patterns, right? So facts about triangles and Fibonacci, patterns and fractals and things like that. But also, if you make more complex interfaces, such as biologicals, but importantly, not just biologicals, but let's say cells and embryos and tissues, what you will then pull down is much more complex patterns that we say, that's a mind, that's a human mind, or that's a snake mind, or whatever. So I think the mind-brain relationship is exactly the kind of thing that the math-physics relationship is. That in some very interesting way, there are truths of mathematics that become embodied and they kind of haunt physical objects, right? In a very specific functional way. And in the exact same way, there are other patterns that are much more complex, higher agency patterns that basically inform living things that we see as obvious embodied minds.